We have now moved on to a letter that was sent to a mediator and Clive Palmer's companies from Richard Sellers, former Director General of the Department of Jobs, Tourism, Science and Innovation. The letter, sent just weeks before the Palmer legislation was introduced, said the state intended to take part in a third round of mediation with Mr. Palmer and his companies over the Balmoral South damages claim. Mr. Palmer's lawyer Peter Gray says this letter was deceitful because it was sent despite Mr. McGowan's knowledge the state intended to introduce legislation that would null and void any and all arbitration processes. So when the state instrumentality for which you were responsible represented that the state was going to participate in the mediation, that representation was knowingly false, and you were misleading both the mediator and the Palmer companies, Mr. Gray says. That was a sneaky and underhanded way to behave, wasn't it? It was deceitful and dishonorable. No, no and no, Mr. McGowan responds. Mr. McGowan says it is ridiculous to suggest this is dishonorable, and in these circumstances the ends justified the means.